students, here the one more problem from the trigonometry of 10th standard. It may be belong to CBSE or state. Here the question is prove that square root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A is equivalent to secant A plus tan A. Here how to prove this one? Observe that carefully. Here I am going to apply the process called rationalization for the denominator term. For the numerator term, write that 1 plus sin A. Okay. For the denominator term, that is 1 minus sin A. For this, you take the rational factor. Rational factor means you have to change the sign minus as plus. That means very simple. Rational factor of 1 minus sin A is 1 plus sin A. And multiply this rational factor 1 plus sin A and also divisible by what? 1 plus sin A. Now here observe 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A, same binomials, that becomes 1 plus sin A whole square. 1 plus sin A whole square. After that, here observe that one. Here you have to use the identity A plus B into A minus B. You know that one. A plus B into A minus B is equal to what? A square minus B square. So on that basis, here 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A, that becomes 1 square minus sin square A. So here I will write 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A. It is equivalent to 1 square minus sin square A. Here 1 square minus sin square A, you may write that as 1 minus sin square A. Write in the denominator 1 minus sin square A. Here the thing is very simple. 1 minus sin square A. Here also one more identity I am going to use. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to what? 1. Here 1 minus sin square A is there. Transpose this one. Here what are getting? Cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. So in place of 1 minus sin square A, I want to write cos square A. Here observe in the numerator 1 plus sin A whole square. Here 1 minus sin square means what? Cos square A. Cos square A. Separate root for numerator as well as denominator. Here 1 plus sin A whole square. Here in the denominator cos square A. Here 1 plus sin square A, 1 plus sin A whole square, square and square root cancel. So what is the remaining? Here 1 plus sin A. In the denominator, square and square root cancel. So what are getting? Cos A. After this, I wanted the opposite of LCM. Split separately 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. That thing only I am going to do here. 1 over cos A plus here sin A by cos A. You know that one by cos A, that is the reciprocal of what? Secant A. So on that basis, 1 by cos A is nothing but secant A plus, you know that one, sin A by cos A, that is the form of what? Tan A. Means tan A can be written as sin A by cos A. On that basis, so sin A by cos A, we have to write that as tan A. In this way, you can prove the question. Here for this problem, what to prove? So square root of 1 plus sin A over 1 minus sin A is equal to secant A plus tan A. In this way, we can prove that question. Anyway, it is very interesting. So my dear students, please subscribe my channel and share the channel link. If you have any type of comment,